Welcome to our video, Through Food Choices. While many of us may be familiar with the importance of calcium for bone health, did you know that there are other key nutrients that contribute to both your pearly whites and sturdy skeletal system? In this video, we will explore a variety of delicious foods packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can help keep your bones strong and your teeth healthy. So let's dig in, both figuratively and literally, as we discover the power of nutrition in maintaining optimal bone and dental health. The importance of bone and teeth health. Our bones and teeth provide the foundation for our bodies. They give us structure, support, and allow us to perform daily activities with ease. Without strong bones, we would be unable to walk or even stand upright. And without healthy teeth, simple tasks like chewing food or flashing a smile would become challenging. Bone health is essential at all stages of life, from infancy through adulthood. During childhood and adolescence, proper bone development lays the groundwork for strength later in life. As we age, maintaining bone density becomes crucial in preventing osteoporosis and fractures. Teeth are equally important as they play a vital role in digestion and overall well-being. Chewing breaks down food into smaller particles so that our bodies can absorb nutrients effectively. It also stimulates saliva production, which aids in neutralizing acids that cause tooth decay. Neglecting bone health can lead to conditions such as osteoporosis, a disease characterized by weak and fragile bones that are prone to fractures, while poor oral hygiene practices can result in cavities, gum disease, and tooth loss. Fortunately, there are steps we can take to prioritize our bone and dental health through mindful dietary choices. By incorporating certain foods rich in key nutrients into our meals on a regular basis, we can help strengthen our skeletal system while promoting optimal oral health. Calcium-rich foods for strong bones. Calcium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and teeth. It not only provides structural support but also helps with muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood clotting. To ensure you're getting enough calcium in your diet, it's important to include calcium-rich foods. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium. Not only do they provide high levels of this vital mineral, but they also contain other nutrients like protein and vitamin D that further support bone health. Leafy green vegetables like kale, broccoli, and spinach are also packed with calcium. These veggies offer a bonus benefit: they're low in calories and rich in fiber too. So you can load up on these greens without worrying about your waistline. If you're lactose intolerant or follow a plant-based diet, there are plenty of non-dairy sources of calcium available as well. Tofu made with calcium sulfate is an excellent option for vegans. Other alternatives include fortified plant-based milks like almond milk or soy milk. Vitamin D sources for healthy teeth. Vitamin D is not only important for strong bones, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy teeth. This essential nutrient helps the body absorb calcium efficiently, which is necessary for tooth mineralization and overall dental health. One of the best natural sources of vitamin D is sunlight. Spending just 10-15 minutes outside during peak sun hours can provide your body with enough vitamin D to support dental health. However, it's important to protect your skin from harmful UV rays by applying sunscreen or wearing protective clothing. In addition to sunlight, certain foods are also rich in vitamin D. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of this vital nutrient. Other options include fortified dairy products like milk and yogurt, as well as egg yolks. If you're following a plant-based diet or have dietary restrictions, there are some plant-based sources of vitamin D available too. Mushrooms exposed to ultraviolet light contain higher levels of this nutrient compared to regular mushrooms. To ensure that you're getting an adequate amount of vitamin D for healthy teeth, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider who can recommend appropriate supplements if needed. Remember that maintaining optimal levels of vitamin D through sunlight exposure and incorporating these food sources into your diet can contribute significantly towards promoting healthy teeth and supporting overall oral health. Other essential nutrients for bone and teeth health. In addition to calcium and vitamin D, there are several other essential nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and healthy teeth. Let's explore some of these important elements. 1. Magnesium. This mineral helps regulate calcium levels in the body, promoting bone density and preventing tooth decay. Good sources of magnesium include almonds, spinach, pumpkin seeds, and black beans. 2. Vitamin K. Known for its role in blood clotting, vitamin K also contributes to bone health by helping bind calcium to the bones. Leafy greens like kale and broccoli are excellent sources of this nutrient. 3. Phosphorus. Working alongside calcium, phosphorus is involved in building strong bones and teeth. It can be found in high amounts in foods such as salmon, poultry, dairy products, nuts, and lentils. 4. Vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant plays a vital role in collagen production, a protein essential for maintaining the integrity of our bones and teeth. Citrus fruits like oranges and strawberries are fantastic sources of vitamin C. 5. Zinc. Adequate zinc intake is crucial for promoting proper growth and development of bone tissue. Foods rich in zinc include lean meats, beef or chicken, seafood, oysters or shrimp, legumes, chickpeas or lentils, and pumpkin seeds. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet regularly along with calcium-rich options mentioned earlier, you can provide your body with the necessary building blocks it needs to support strong bones and healthy teeth throughout your life. Conclusion. Why it's important to prioritize bone and teeth health through food choices. Prioritizing bone and teeth health through food choices is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. Strong bones and healthy teeth are essential for a high quality of life at any age. By incorporating calcium-rich foods, vitamin D sources, and other essential nutrients into our diets, we can promote optimal bone density and dental strength. Calcium-rich foods play a significant role in building strong bones. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium. Additionally, leafy greens such as kale, broccoli, and spinach contain substantial amounts of this vital mineral. Including these foods in our daily meals ensures that our bodies receive the necessary calcium to support bone health. Vitamin D is another key nutrient required for healthy teeth. Sunlight exposure helps our bodies produce vitamin D naturally. However, certain dietary sources can also contribute to its intake. Fatty fish like salmon or mackerel are excellent options to obtain vitamin D from food. Fortified dairy products and egg yolks also provide this important nutrient. In addition to calcium and vitamin D, other nutrients should not be overlooked when it comes to promoting strong bones and teeth. Magnesium aids in the absorption of calcium while contributing to bone density maintenance. Foods rich in magnesium include almonds, cashews, legumes, such as chickpeas, whole grains, like brown rice, and dark chocolate.